Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just want you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I was looking at your website and I noticed a few things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website and obviously some more revenue to your business. Um, so there's three ways that we can do this. It's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I refer to as words and images, so it's more information for your customers. And we want around 1,500 to 2,000 words minimum on your homepage. And it gives us a place to put hard search keywords, and it takes away all the guesswork for Google. So you can see here that you don't have a whole lot of content, but it's hidden when you go to here, right? So here's some more content and such like that. So, and that might even be linking me to your service pages, and that's fine. And actually, I would honestly say that your website is actually a pretty decent looking website. It just needs some SEO run to it. So I would make sure that your these keywords: solar panel cleaning, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, pressure washing, moss control. That these keywords have the location that you're trying to be found within your content, and that needs to be a H1 header or and they need to be linked and everything interlinked and everything to your service pages. So that will really help your website be found and for these services. And also, you want to make sure that you have your location page. So if you are servicing more than one location, especially, you want to use each service or location page as another home page. So if you're servicing 5 different areas, you need to have a lot of content and make sure that you have all those location keywords for that. So what I can do is I can pull up your website and I can see that you have no data for your UR, 0 DR, no backlinks, no referring domains, and you got 10. You're being found for 10 keywords. So you can see right here that you do like these keywords. If these are services that you work in, Bellevue window cleaning, roof cleaning, Bellevue, Everett, Kenmore. All these need to be in your content, bolded and highlighted. So, and then have links to them. And there's a good bit of content, and you want to make sure that we're ranking for these. These are all low KD, so it should be easy to rank for these keywords. And also want to go out and find you some more higher volume keywords. So the second way is with backlinks and referring domains, and it's basically anywhere one website refers to another website. And Google looks at this to see if your website is trustworthy. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. These backlinks are very important. They'll add about an extra 20 to 30% from organic search results. You can see right here that you don't have any. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up one of your competitors. This is Sparkle Wash, and we're going to go see what they have. So they got 7,000 backlinks. They're being found for 2,000 keywords and 652. And you can see right here that they have a pretty good ratio of 40 to 30 DR. So it's almost a 1-to-1. And so, but if I click on their backlinks, we can figure out what they have and what's helping them rank. And then we can, go out and get the same ones, So you can see right here, they have 1,600 do follow backlinks. So these guys have, they've been adding backlinks for a while. So it would take a pretty good bit of time to outrank these guys, but it can be done. Let's go see referring domains. And we only want do follow. And they got 260 do follows. So, again, and these are all pretty good DRs. So, yeah, so with that being said, let's go check out another competitor. You make sure we want the Sparkle Wash. Did I already do him? Pressure washing, Sparkle Wash. Oh, so he's ranked number 1 organically, and he's ranked number 1 in the GMB. Evergreen window cleaning. So let's check this guy out. And you can see right here that these guys got a pretty good ratio going on too. They're being found for a lot of keywords. So, you know, just off the top two guys, I can tell you right now that this is going to be a pretty tough competition over here. You can see right here that this has a high volume, and this guy's ranked number 7. So he's ranked for a lot of keywords here. So pretty competitive over there in your area, but there's uh, a lot of search volume. So it's definitely worth it. And then now you got to figure out what it takes to to beat him in this keyword or this keyword or this keyword. It just depends on what you want to go after first, gutter cleaning company, and so forth. So, um, yeah, this would be a really fun project to take on. But with that being said, the third way is citations. So citations are basically anywhere your name and number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And so the more we can get, the greater chance of having into top 3 of the Google Map Pack. So you want to make sure that we are ranking in the Map Pack. This is roof. Yeah, this is you. Where you at? Yeah, so here we go. So, we want to make sure that you're ranking right here. So if we were to search, this is pressure washing, Linwood, Washington. So let's go see where you're found at. There you are right there. Let's check out your GMB. And we want to make sure that we got plenty of photos up here. We want multiple photos, at least, 50 to 100 photos every time you get a client. Like, take some photos, optimize them the proper way. Get you a bunch of content in here and make plenty of posts and get you a lot of reviews. All you got to do is go to your profile, click on it, and you should just go to reviews and get the link to copy and send to clients. So you should be able to get plenty of reviews and make sure that we're optimizing this all the time. This should be posted to weekly and monthly so that Google sees that you're utilizing it and it'll start ranking it even higher. So you're not found very far down. So, you might be able to get up here pretty quick if you really focus on your GMB. And this is where about 70% of all your calls are coming from in the first place. So even if you didn't want to do a website, focus on your GMB, get it ranking, because that's where a majority of your money is going to come from. But with that being said, you want to have a nice looking website to go along with it so that people know that you're the real deal. So with that being said, man, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Remember, go out and get some content, some better content for yourself about the services that you provide. Get you some better backlinks. You're gonna need a lot to kind of do it over there, but it definitely can be done. And then also you want to make sure that you got plenty of citations for that GMB, and so you can get ranked in that map pack. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.